Alright, so we are going to be talking about SQL operators in this video. So SQL operators are grouped into two main operators. You have the arithmetic operators and the comparison operators. So in this video we are going to be focusing on the arithmetic operators. So for the arithmetic operators are useful when you want to perform mathematical operations on data in tables while you retrieve them by writing SQL select queries. In SQL, arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations on data. To be more specific, they are used with mathematical data stored in the database tables. So types of arithmetic operators, you have the plus, the subtract, the multiplication and the divide. Now these are how some of the arithmetic operators are being used. This is how to use the addition arithmetic operator. You call the select, you call the two columns in which you want to add their values, then you specify the table in which you want to call those columns from. So we are going to do an example to that effect. So here we'll call the select clause, and we are going to be referring to the product table. Just for example, we'll be adding, multiplying and dividing the columns in the product table. We'll be using product ID and let's say product ID and category ID. So for here we'll first call all the columns out. So select asterisk, then comma, we'll put the product. For ease, we are going to type the from clause, just so that it will be easy from us. We'll type the from clause from product. Let's remove this from product. So let's now start calling those additional columns we want to create. So we'll say product ID plus category ID. Just for an example, comma, product ID minus category ID, comma, product ID multiplied by category ID, then we'll do product ID divided by category ID. So this is going to bring out all the columns in our table, then plus these 4 different columns. The first difference is going to be the product ID plus the category ID. So let's run this query so you can see the output. Alright, so here we see all the columns in the table: the product ID, the product name, the supplier ID, the category ID, the unit, the price, and then the additional columns we created. Here we have the product ID plus the category ID, the product ID minus the category ID, the product ID multiplied by the category ID, the product ID divided by the category ID. So we carried out addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are the major arithmetic operations that are being carried out. Alright, if you found value in this video, do well to subscribe, follow for more insightful videos like this. Thank you.